large black hole standing in the darkness, so cold. Flashes of light pass my eyes, torture, only to confirm my emptiness inside. Hollowness that echoes in my heart, like a stone of hopelessness that can't even be bought. To hear but only noise, but not able to touch or feel. Darkness surrounds me. I try to heal. I caress the air around me, but emptiness is calling. Emptiness is calling. Am I still here?